Welcome back to another video, guys. I am super excited to be back. It has been such a long time since I've recorded for you guys, and here I am again with another renovation around the house. The last time I did share with you guys the renovation that we did on the laundry, and now I'm gonna do the kitchen. Now I'm gonna tell you guys that the whole process of how it had started, it was me trying to redo this area to make it a coffee bar. Since I've talked to you guys in my vlog channel, I do have a coffee station that I want to get rid of, and now I want to put my coffee station on this side. So the plan at the beginning was for me to redo this area, only this area, and I was going to, paint the cabinets, do something nice, paint all around the areas and stuff like that. But after I started taking everything out of the drawers and the cabinets, I made the decision on pretty much do the whole kitchen. Since this area, it's attached closer to the kitchen, it's literally in front of the pantry, and it has the same colors on the cabinet, the granite and everything, and it's next to the fridge. Pretty much it is part of the kitchen. So I made the decision to do the whole kitchen. So this is what I'm going to be sharing with you guys. This renovation, it's going to be in sections. I'm going to be sharing with you guys the whole process of what we are doing, what we're using, how we started it, like the way I commented at the beginning, and pretty much the whole process. So if this is something you are interested, if you love to see renovations, the befores and afters, subscribe to the channel, become part of the family, hit the bell so you can be notified every time I upload videos. I promise you guys, I am back. I am uploading weekly, so if you have your belt on, you won't miss on any new uploads. And also hit the like button so that way you guys can recommend my videos. Obviously share the videos. If you know someone, a family member, friends, or whoever, any person that would love to see renovations, share the video. The first thing I did in here, it's pretty much took everything out of the drawers and of the cabinets. I wasn't going to take it out at the beginning. I was just going to cover it, but I pretty much didn't know what I was doing. Like, I started with taking everything out in case I wanted to do something different. I knew that I had everything out already, and then I started taking out the cabinet doors and then the drawers, and I started to take out the hardware away from it. Obviously it's taking me a little bit longer than expected because we do have a full-time job, my husband and I, and we can't just focus in it in a full day. So I did started with sanding out this area, but later on in the videos you will see that I stopped sanding it. I tried to sand it out and see what was going to be the feel of it, if it was going to be better like that, if it needed really to be sanded. So I stopped after a few cabinets. I made the decision not to sand everything out, and all I did just sand out this area only, and then clean it out with this degreaser that I did bought at Lowe's. It's been really hard for me to find degreasers at other stores, so I'm just grabbing whatever I can find. And I am going to paint the cabinets white. I didn't use any primer. I did bought this Valspar cabinet and furniture paint, and pretty much in here it said that you really don't have to use a primer because it is designed for kitchen cabinets and any type of furniture that it's cabinet furniture. But to be honest, I feel that it really needed to be primed. If I can redo it later on in the future, I would definitely use the primer before using this cabinet paint by itself. I did had to went with more than one coat, and obviously if you are priming it, I don't think you will need more than one coat, but I did went to with 3 coats. And here is where I stopped painting the cabinets because I really didn't like the way it looked with just the foam rollers. And so my husband decided to purchase a machine, a spray paint machine. So that's when I decided to take everything out of the kitchen. This was the following day, and the kids weren't home. They were at my sister's, so the only one was my oldest. So he's the one that helped me out to take everything out of the cabinets. After I took everything out of the cabinets, it was like such a relief because I knew that I was going to get my kitchen done, even though we're still working on the kitchen. Yes, we are still working on the kitchen. We're not done completely, but I really wanted to take you guys along with all the process and share with you guys, you know, the little things here and there, what we did and what we recommend not to do. In case you guys want to redo the kitchen. Like I said, I wasn't going to take everything out. I was just going to cover it all in. But I always think that when you prepare an area that you're going to redo, it's crucial. Like, you literally have to prep your areas and organize everything so you can have a successful remodeling. And it's much more fun when you have everything organized, when you prepped your areas, you just enjoy it. Me personally, I love to paint. So painting the cabinets and all that, it was kind of therapeutic for me. I know that a lot of people hate to paint, but trust me, if you prep your area, if you take your time on prepping, everything goes by smoothly. I know it will take you a little bit longer than expected, but like I said, we've been working on the kitchen probably for the past 3 weeks now. But it's pretty much only on the weekends. So if you are not working and if you want to do a renovation in your house and if you're at home, it probably will take you less than time. Now, I do want to share with you guys the before of the kitchen. So take a closer look on the kitchen because this will be the last time you will see the kitchen this way. This is without all the stuff that I had in the cabinets, and now I'm gonna be ready to take the doors and everything out to prep it and get it ready to paint it. A quick tip on knowing what doors are in every area, it's to put the number onto the door. And what I'm doing is I'm putting the numbers as well, like on the bottom, so that way I can know that 36, 36, 37, 37. And then in here on the top, I'm just putting like a number inside and then on the top, because I'm not gonna take this one out of the drawer. I'm just gonna take the whole drawer out and just tape around it, and then so that way Edgar can spray paint it. And then, yeah. One of the things that I really wanted to take down was the crown molding on the top. There was a lot of changes in between, and that is one reason or another reason why it's taking us a little bit longer, because in between the renovation, I started adding more stuff. I started taking down stuff. So one of the things that I did, it was taking down the crown molding, because I want the kitchen to look a little bit more modern. And I just feel that with that crown molding, it doesn't make it look modern. So you will see the full kitchen without that. I also took the hardware and put it like the ones that goes on the top, I put them up there, and then the ones that goes on the bottom, they're gonna be down on the bottom. The same up here, so that way I can know by the time I put them all, I can see which ones are. And another thing that we made a decision on taking down was this piece of granite that it's a backsplash. We are going to be adding a backsplash. And now if you want more information on all of this, go follow us on our IG and also on our blog channel. I have shared a little bit more on the renovation over there. So if you want to know more, go follow us over there. But yeah, we are taking down this piece of granite on the top because we are adding backsplash. We end up taking all the granite little tiny backsplash that it was on the back. from this side, and we end up taking the one from that side as well. I think that is it for today. We're gonna continue tomorrow. So Edgar is going to spray paint all of the doors. I just have to clean them and use like a degreaser to clean it out. And I'm gonna paint all of the inside. And since we're putting backsplash, I'm not gonna paint anything on the top except for this side on the top, because I'm not putting any backsplash on this wall, only on the bottom.